living life, doing our best, and helping families succeed in homeownership. "2021 was one heck of a year. And first of all, I'd like to say thank you so very much to all our family, our friends, our business partners that helped us have such a successful year. I want you to know that we take your trust very, very seriously. And I thank you for allowing us to be your choice when it comes to mortgage financing. And I look forward to 2022 and helping you reach your real estate goals and financial goals. In this episode, I'd like to talk about what happened. I always like analyzing information. I think information gives us some insight on what could happen in the future. And here we'll talk about what happened in home values in the different counties, and then also what happened with interest rates. So let's break down the different counties, and I'll share with you where the median price sold began in January 2021 and where that same county ended in December 2021. Washoe County began at $450 and ended the year at $545. Fernley was $310 to $360. Carson City was $429 to $465. Gardnerville-Minden was $515,000 to $669,900, so quite a big increase there. Lyon County was $369,000 and ended the year at $410,000. Fallon was $291,000 and ended at $369,000. Lake Tahoe started at $1.4 million and ended at $1.3 million, so a little bit of a dip for that county. In addition to home values moving, interest rates saw quite a bit of movement. In January 2021, interest rates were below 3% with an average 30-year fixed rate of 2.625% and sometimes even lower, especially if you got a shorter term loan like a 15-year fix that reached like a 1.99%, which is incredible. In my 16-year career, I've never seen interest rates that low. Fast forward now to January 2022, and interest rates have now gone over 3% with an average rate of 3.5% for a 30-year term. Now you can get below 3% if you're looking at a shorter term loan like a 15-year fixed. Now, many of you may ask yourself, if 2021 was such a great year for rates, which it really was, some of the lowest I've ever seen, should I even consider a refinance in 2022? And the answer is possibly. When I look back at my 16-year career, I remember having interest rates at 6, 7, 8, 9%. And my predecessors, people that were in the mortgage industry before me, they had interest rates in the teens, 13, 14, 15, 16%. And people were still buying homes, people were still refinancing because that was normal at the time. So to see interest rate in the mid threes, that is still historically low and can still make a lot of sense for a refinance, especially if you're paying what's called mortgage insurance. With home values increasing, this has also led to movement in the maximum loan limits. So let's begin with conventional financing. Conventional financing began the year in 2021 at $548,200 as the max loan amount you can get for a conventional conforming loan. Fast forward January 2022, and that loan limit has been increased to $647,200 for a conventional conforming loan. Government financing such as FHA loans have also seen some changes. So what we'll do next is we'll break down the different counties and I'll tell you what the new maximum loan limit is for that particular county. Washoe County has been increased to $534,750. Lyon County is now $420,680. Carson City County is now $448,500. Douglas County is now $569,250. Churchill County is $420,680. And El Dorado County has a really big increase at $675,050. In conclusion, 2021 led to an increase in home values, interest rates, and conforming loan amounts. In our next episode, we'll talk about what the forecast is moving forward into 2022. What is next? Now, it's really difficult to predict the future, but fortunately for us, we have information. We have historic market information. It's really difficult to predict what's going to happen next. However, our past data sometimes gives us clues on what we can expect moving forward. See you next time.